Hi, I'm James Spacer. I'm with Noritz tankless water heaters, and we're at AHR. It's 2025, booth 943, and super excited about some products that we've launched this year. So what I want to showcase here is our commercial manifold kit. This is available in 2, 3, or 4 unit wall hanging solution for all the contractors to be able to have this entire manifold assembly for your cold water supply, your hot water supply, isolation valve kits, pressure relief valve, condensate drain, and also your gas manifold in one box. This will be, a solution in terms of logistics, getting into that mechanical room, whether or not you have to go upstairs, kind of an awkward space to get into. You'll be able to assemble this pretty quickly. So what we've done is we've provided this template to use as a tool and a guide. This will guide you on where to hang the units. Just consider where you're going to be venting the tankless water heaters, and then also you want to raise it to a height that is designed for future serviceability and making that as easy as possible. So once you hang the template, you hang the heaters, and then you're able to put together the manifold kit as you see here, and everything that is represented here comes in this box here. So, very lightweight. You lift it up, put it on a hand truck, have 2 guys haul it up some stairs. Now you're not inconveniencing, other crew members shutting down the street. Sometimes you might have a crane, things like that. Again, wall hanging solution, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units, our commercial manifold kit.